Today I'm calling out things that I hate, like homeware or decor choices that I've seen at friends or just here and there. But I'm not keeping it all negative. I'm gonna say something nice about them as well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Atepe. And please, keep in mind, it's just my opinion. I'm not like, if you have this in your home, you're not stylish anymore. I have a list that I'm going to talk about, like homeware, decorative item, decor choices, whatever you want to call it. So, let's get into it. Number 1, black dishes. I don't like them. I just don't like them. I don't like going somewhere and see black dishes. And I especially don't like seeing food on black dishes. Because honestly, the food never looks good. I mean, people probably buy black dishes because they are stylish and modern. Like, oh, it's black, it's automatically stylish. But honestly, no. Whatever you put in them, it just doesn't look appetizing to me. We talked about this before in my other videos. When you buy dishes, you always have to think about how the food is gonna look on them. And with black dishes, I don't think the food looks good on them. Whenever I go somewhere and they serve food on black dishes, even in restaurants, I'm like, oh, this doesn't look good. I mean, it doesn't wake my appetite. But I should say something nice about it as well. So I think salads, especially spring mix, looks good on black dishes. I mean, the green contrasts nicely with the black. So I guess that's an exception, but otherwise, no thank you. Number 2, too many cushions on the sofa. Cushions are nice, I get it. They add style and they make sofa look put together, all that. But too many cushions? First of all, where am I supposed to sit? Like, how are you even use your sofa? Every time I see a sofa packed with cushions, I just know that the moment you actually want to sit, you have to move them all. And then when you get up, you have to put them all back. Why are you making your life harder? And let's talk about cleaning them. If your sofa is something that you actually use, you should be washing those cushions, I don't know, like bi-weekly, like every month. And are you actually doing that? Be honest. I also don't even believe that they look good when no one is sitting on the sofa. I mean, some people who are doing this, maybe they're like, yeah, this looks good. But honestly, I don't think so. To me, it just looks messy. And I believe that they're kind of clutter. But I also have to say something nice about them. Maybe if you're alone and curl up with a throw and a lot of cushions around you, you might feel cozy. I don't know. Number 3, tall, big headboards. I'm not a big fan of headboards to begin with. Maybe in some styles they work. Here and there, I see a bed with a headboard and I'm like, okay, this looks good, this is working. But most of the time, I'm like, no. They cramp the room. They make the space feel smaller. And for what? I mean, what's the purpose of having a big headboard? I get that some styles require them, and yeah, in a bigger bedroom, they can make the space feel more luxurious, but otherwise, it's just too much. Number 4, too many small decorative items everywhere. I know, you love your little sculptures, frame, Legos, like small pieces here and there. And sure, they can be nice, but why are they scattered all over the place? I believe there should be a designated space for them. Honestly, I don't like it when I go to someone's home and there are too many small knickknacks like everywhere. It looks cluttered. And I can't stop thinking about dusting them. I mean, how are you cleaning all these tiny little things? I mean, they just don't look good if they are just randomly placed everywhere. Okay, now I have to say something nice about them. Well, I guess they can be kind of a conversation starter. If someone comes over, they might see something and they might ask, oh, what is this? Where did you get it? And I believe that's cool because if you're following my videos, you know that I believe that your home and your home decor should be kind of a conversation starter. So yeah, that's a good thing about them. Number 5, white pots for plants. I don't like them. The contrast between stark white and the green is just too much for me. I don't find it beautiful. I mean, I believe off-white is okay, even neutrals, pastel colors, there are so many choices. But pure white? I don't think so. If I want to say something nice about them, it can be hard, but like maybe you can see stains on them faster and clean them like immediately. That's all I got. Number 6, too many plants without considering style and color. I love plants. I have a whole video about why you should have plants. But you still need to think about how they fit into your space. Not all plants go together. Not all greens are the same shade. And when you just start throwing plants everywhere, it starts looking like, I don't know, a greenhouse experience gone wrong. If you are intentionally going for boho or biophilic design, fine. That makes sense. But random plants everywhere? No, I'm sorry. Something nice about them, there are so many nice things that you can say about plants. Obviously, they freshen up your space and improve air quality. So, they do have a purpose. Number 7, overly color coordinated decor. Honestly, this is creepy to me. Like when everything in a house is too matchy-matchy, it just doesn't feel natural. I once visited someone's place and everything was white and gold. The furniture, white and gold. The decor, white and gold. The cutlery, also white and gold. I get having a color palette, but this level of commitment? No. I mean, let your space breathe a little. And now I have to say something nice about it. Okay, this is hard. The only thing that I can think of, maybe you can match your outfit with your home decor easily? I don't know. That's literally all I got. Okay, that was it. I think this was fun. Maybe I should do more of this kind of videos. Let me know in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. See you in the next video.